Do you know the Indian actor Ayushmann Khurrana, who has given some amazing hits like Bareli Ki Barfi, Article 15, Bala, Badai Ho, etc., was once rejected in a reality show called as Cine Star Ki Khoj in 2003 by saying that you are not camera ready, that you are not worthy of being on camera. You must have definitely heard about the legendary story of Amitabh Bachchan being rejected by All India Radio because of his voice. And in spite of these rejections, they went on to become legends in their own way. So how did they do it? How do these people handle rejections? But I know some of you are thinking, "Arey yaar, ye to alag league ke log hai." They are into a league of extraordinary gentlemen or women, but we are तो normal people. और इसीलिए आप और मैं जो normal ordinary लोग हैं, वो कैसे रिजेक्शन को हैंडल कर सकते हैं, ये आज आप सीखने वाले हो। और इसीलिए इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखिए, क्योंकि आज आप सीखने वाले हो 3 ऐसे तरीके जिससे कि आप रिजेक्शन को एक बेहतर वे में हैंडल कर सको। और उसी के साथ इस चैनल को भी जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि जब मैं नया वीडियो डालूं तो सबसे पहले आप देख सके। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। तो नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूं कॉन्फिडेंस कोच अभय वलशंकर और मैं वेलकम करता हूं आपका मोटिवेशनल मंडेज में, जहां पे हर मंडे मैं लेके आता हूं एक नया वीडियो जिससे कि आप बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड रहो फॉर द कमिंग वीक। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। तो आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूं 3 ऐसे स्टेजेस जिससे कि आप रिजेक्शन अच्छे से हैंडल कर सको। तो ये 3 स्टेजेस कुछ इस तरीके से होंगी। पहला स्टेज बिफोर रिजेक्शन, सेकंड स्टेज ड्यूरिंग रिजेक्शन एंड थर्ड स्टेज पोस्ट रिजेक्शन। तो आइए सबसे पहले समझते हैं कि बॉस रिजेक्शन का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है। नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस टू स्टार्ट, दैट रिजेक्शन इज नॉट द प्रॉब्लम, हाउ यू डील विद दैट रिजेक्शन इज द रियल प्रॉब्लम एंड दैट इज व्हाट अफेक्ट्स योर हेल्थ। और इसीलिए आज हम सबसे पहले सोचेंगे कि रिजेक्शन क्या होता है और हम कब उसे फील करते हैं। तो कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं। इमेजिन दिस, आप मॉर्निंग पे उठते हो एंड यू वांट टू हैव मैगी फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट एंड समबडी एल्स सेज उपमा। So then उपमा is selected and your idea of Maggie is then rejected. Then you think कि आज हम टीवी पे देखेंगे ये वाली मूवी and you put on the channel, but then somebody in your family comes and puts something on and then your movie of that is rejected. Now how many of you have experienced this almost every hour in a day? When you do something, somebody comes and just rejects that whole idea. If you have ever been in such situation, let me know in the comments below so I know you can relate with me. तो हम कैसे उसे हैंडल करें, क्योंकि हम रिजेक्शन से चारों ओर से भरे हुए हैं। सबसे पहले the number one stage which is nothing but before rejection, that is what we call as the stage of expect. Now what do I mean by expect? Expect means nothing but your expectations. तो हम इंसान दो टाइप के होते हैं। एक जो कि है अंडर एक्सपेक्टेशन, ऐसे लोग जो खुद से कुछ उम्मीद ही नहीं रखते, उनको ऐसा लगता है बॉस मैं तो वेस्ट हूं, मेरे को तो पता ही है कुछ नहीं होने वाला मेरा। सो दे रिजेक्ट देमसेल्व्स फर्स्ट। इमेजिन दिस, कितने बार ऐसे हुआ होगा कि आप जब कोई चीज करने जा रहे हो तो पहले ही आप खुद को ही रिजेक्ट कर देते हो, अभी ये तो मेरे से नहीं होगा। यू गोइंग फॉर एन इंटरव्यू, नहीं आई डोंट थिंक आई गेट इट। नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस, इफ यू आर रिजेक्टिंग योरसेल्फ व्हिच मींस यू डोंट बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, हाउ वुड समबडी एल्स बिलीव इन यू इन दैट केस। और इसीलिए अगर आप खुद को ही पहले रिजेक्ट कर रहे हो तो सामने वाला तो डेफिनेटली आपको रिजेक्ट करेगा। फिर होते हैं दूसरे टाइप के लोग जो कि है ओवर एक्सपेक्टेशंस, जो खुद को समझते हैं कि बॉस हम तो यहाँ के राजे हैं, हम तो किंग है, हम तो क्वीन है और हमारा तो काम ऐसे हो जाएगा एंड यू नो वी आर टू गुड, वी आर गोइंग टू गेट इट। So when you're over expecting something out of yourself, that creates a disappointment if you don't get it. So what do you need to do? Understand a simple formula. Happiness, which is nothing but H, equals to reality, which is R, minus expectations, which is nothing but E. So H is equal to R minus E. Now what is your reality? We think our reality is what we create. हम जिंदगी जीते हैं. But to be very, very honest, most of us currently how life is going, so it's not like you are driving your life, it's like life is happening to you और तुमसे उसका हिस्सा हो, मैं कुछ कर नहीं रहा हूँ, मेरे साथ ही हो रहा है। How many of you have experienced that? Please go ahead and do share. A reality being something which is beyond our control, because currently life is happening to us, we are not happening to the life. So that's why what is in your control is the expectations. आप जितने ज्यादा expectation रखोगे, उतना rejection का scope भी बहुत ज्यादा है। और इसीलिए keep your expectations which are very practical in a way, in a simple concept that if I fit into the requirement, I will be in, and if I don't, I will not. As simple as that. तो जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप जाते हो एक स्टोर में और समझो 2 लेस के एक पैकेट है। पहला पैकेट इज द ब्लू इंडियन मसाला मैजिक मसाला एंड द सेकंड वन इज द ग्रीन क्रीम एंड ओनियन। तो टुडे यू फील लाइक यू वांट टू हैव द ब्लू वन, तो आप वो पिक करते हो और वो ले लेते हो। तो क्या इसका मतलब ये है क्या कि ये ग्रीन वाला जो है क्रीम एंड ओनियन, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली यूजलेस, वर्थलेस, उसको डूब जाना चाहिए, ऐसा है क्या? बिल्कुल नहीं। व्हाई? बिकॉज यू वेरी वेल नो 2 दिन बाद आप जब जाओगे तो शायद आपको वो वाला अच्छा लगेगा एंड देन यू विल पिक अप द ग्रीन वन। So the point being this, if somebody rejects you, it doesn't mean that you're not worthy. It simply means that it doesn't fit into their requirements. Now the problem why we feel rejection is such painful is because we always think about ourselves. You go to an interview, you think, यार मुझे job मिलना चाहिए था, यार मुझे नहीं मिला. You're thinking about you. If you like someone and you're about to propose and that person says no, you're again thinking about yourself, I got rejected, yaar mujhe nahi mila. The point is the focus is on you and that is creating a problem. The focus should always be on the other person. What are their requirements? Am I fitting? Is it making sense? It's like this, आपके घर पे सारे नल अच्छे से है and then a plumber comes up and says, hey नहीं मेरे को काम करने का, मेरे को काम दे, मेरे को नल ठीक करने का. सारे नल अच्छे से है, तुम उसको क्या काम दोगे? You don't require him. That doesn't mean that plumber is not skilled. It simply means कि आपको उसकी जरूरत कभी नहीं है, तो वो क्यों आपको एंट्री देंगे? As simple as that. Same is with us. So the way to deal with rejection, step number 1 is to be mentally prepared even before the opportunity of a rejection comes out. और आपको पता है rejection कभी भी आ सकते हैं, and that's where you need to be prepared. So next time if somebody rejects you, say this to yourself, okay, it's because they don't require me currently. Let me upgrade and let me go to a place where it would definitely fit and I would be in. क्योंकि जो कोई एक वैल्यू नहीं कर रहा है आपकी, तो कोई दूसरा है जो वैल्यू करने के लिए रेडी है. You just need to keep on trying, as simple as that. आपने देखा होगा जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, वो एक गेम खेलते हैं जिसके ऊपर शेप्स होते हैं, सर्कल, स्क्वायर, और फिर उस डब्बे के अंदर ऊपर जगह होती है परफेक्ट सर्कल, स्क्वायर की, और आपको उसके अंदर वो सर्कल के अंदर सर्कल डालना है, स्क्वायर के अंदर स्क्वायर डालना है. Now, if you go and attempt to put a circle inside a square, it's not going to go in. Now that doesn't mean कि वो सर्कल वेस्ट है या फिर वो डब्बा वेस्ट है. It simply means go ahead and give it a try. Next वाले में शायद काम हो जाए. So that was the first stage, which was nothing but before the rejection, which is nothing but expect. That keep your expectations to a practical level. Don't under expect, don't over expect, and do not think that you have got this. All you need to do is you need to be practical. That if it's a requirement wherein the focus is on them, if they think it's suitable, I'll get it. If not, I'll keep on trying. That's it. So that's the number 1, to be mentally prepared even before an opportunity comes wherein you can be selected or you can be rejected. Then comes the second stage. जैसा आपने देखा, first stage was nothing but expect. The second stage is nothing but accept. It means what? That you need to accept the rejection that comes your way. So imagine this, आप गए हो एक जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए, आपने कड़ी मेहनत की है, सारे एग्जाम्स क्लियर किए हैं आपने, एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट आपने क्लियर किए हैं, ग्रुप डिस्कशन क्लियर किए हैं, and after a lot of struggle, you are the only breadwinner for the family, you need this job, and now comes the time of results, और वहां पे नाम अनाउंस होते हैं, and unfortunately your name is rejected. How do you feel at that moment? अगर आप उस पोजीशन में रहोगे तो आपको कैसे फील होगा? You will feel small, you will probably feel disgusted, you will feel very very empty, you would feel like I'm not worth it, I'm useless, मेरे से कुछ नहीं होगा, and you become this small thinking, नहीं यार मेरे पास है ही नहीं, मेरे को होता ही नहीं है, this is it, I give up. You get a feeling of giving up at that point. Now what happens at that point is, first, don't try to deny it. Don't try to say, अरे कुछ नहीं, चल, okay, ठीक है, done. अब झूठा उसको तसल्ली मत दो. जो इमोशंस आ रहे हैं उसे एक्सेप्ट करो कि ठीक है, रिजेक्शन हुआ है मेरा, ठीक है, मेरे को ऐसे फिलहाल फील हो रहा है, इट्स ओके. Acknowledge it. The moment you acknowledge it, slowly it reduces. क्यों? क्योंकि अभी तुमने एक्नॉलेज किया है कि ठीक है यार मुझे बुरा लग रहा है, ये तो बात सही है. आप डिनाई करोगे तो उस चक्कर में और ज्यादा बुरा लगेगा और आप कवर अप करोगे. You need to accept rejection gracefully. That's the word. Gracefully मतलब क्या? कुछ example. 1, to never ever justify. Justify मत करो, अरे हाँ नहीं ऐसे हुआ रहेगा, वो लोग ऐसे कम, कभी मत करो. Do not justify yourself. And second, do not complain, do not argue. कुछ भी हो जाए, कभी भी उनके खिलाफ कुछ मत बोलो जो आपको रिजेक्ट कर रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि that's only going to aggravate the process. It's not going to help you to deal with it. So this was the second step, which was nothing but to accept the emotions that you have and to accept rejection gracefully, which means not to argue and not to complain and not to have a blame game. So this was the step number 2. And the third one that you're going to see is nothing but which is post rejection. यानी कि rejection हो चुका है. Now what do? So this third stage is called as reflect. Reflect यानी क्या? कि now you need to reflect on yourself. कि how was the whole experience? क्या हुआ था? What do you think went right? What do you think went wrong? Do a quick analysis for yourself. रोते बैठ के कि ये नहीं हुआ है यार, it's not going to help. Let me give you a simple story. So me and my very good friend, he was trying to get a job and he had multiple rejections. So we met once and in the evening he was opening up saying यार मैं reject हो रहा हूँ बार-बार, क्या गलत कर रहा हूँ पता नहीं चल रहा है. So we sat and we had a discussion कि okay, this is how you are going about it. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें काम कर रही है, ये सारी चीजें नहीं कर रही है. So what if we just do this? और ऐसे ऐसे हुआ तो क्या होगा? And then he himself suggested things that yeah, I can do this, I can do that. Then he went for an interview, and then I got a call saying that yes, I've got a job, thank you. Now I want you to realize in this case, what did he do? He was in that conscious state to reflect on what happened. Most of us don't reach that stage. Most of us are still in stage number 2, which is nothing but to keep on cribbing about what has happened. Hey, I'm rejected, this, that. It's great. You have rejected. That's a good sign. Go ahead, do something else. And that's why stage 3 is extremely important, which is nothing but to reflect. So reflect back on your own way, do your own analysis. But sometimes we struggle to do that because we can't understand what went wrong. We feel कि सब अच्छा ही गया है. That's the point wherein you connect with someone who respects you, who's there to support you. And that's why keep yourself in a neat environment. When I say a neat environment, an environment which supports you, ना कि जो आपको नीचे खींचे. So open up with them saying, I'm facing multiple rejections. Can you help me to see something which probably I am not? Because आप इस नजरिए से देख रहे हो and you think this is the right way, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? But what if the right way is somewhere here, which is outside your vision? So what do you do in that perspective? You call someone who can see you from this angle also and not just this. And that is what is going to help you. So these were the 3 things that we saw today. So let us quickly revise what all did we learn today. So we saw how to deal with rejection. एक आम आदमी, ordinary person rejection को कैसे deal कर सकता है. आज हमने वो सीखा. In that stage number 1, which was the before rejection part, that's what we called as expect. So what is expect? So keep your expectations with yourself, which are very practical. Don't under-expect, don't over-expect, don't reject yourself, and make sure that you understand the concept that it's not about you, it's about their requirements. So keep your expectations to a practical level. That was stage number 1. Stage number 2, which is during the rejection. Rejection हो रहा है तो कैसे क्या करना है? First, let that emotion sink in. If you're feeling rejected, you're feeling sad, उसे acknowledge करो. And second, always accept rejection gracefully. And the third stage that we saw, which was the post-rejection stage, which is nothing but what we called as reflect. Now you reflect back on what has happened, try to figure out things which were wrong, improve it, and slowly you will get to your perfect version that you always wanted. So these were the 3 things that we learned today. मुझे ये जरूर बताइए कमेंट्स में कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसे लगा और इसमें से आपने क्या सीखा जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा पसंद आया, और उसी के साथ कोई और टॉपिक्स भी अगर आपके पास है तो मुझे जरूर नीचे बताइए ताकि मेरा अगला वीडियो उसके ऊपर हो. Or thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if you are new to this channel, then please make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon and like, share and comment on this video and spread it with all your friends so that they know how to handle rejection. So thank you so much for watching.